Every year now feels like a new record we didn't want to break. Deadlier heat waves, harsher cold spells, and worsening pollution and weather that feels less predictable and more extreme. It's not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. Because across India right now, we are facing a brutal, life threatening heat wave. Across North and Central India, including Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and parts of Maharashtra, temperatures are crossing 45, even 47 degrees Celsius. This isn't just normal summer heat anymore. Meteorologists are warning that developing El Nino conditions combined with long-term climate change are making heat waves more intense, longer lasting, and more frequent. So, what is El Nino? It is a climate pattern that begins in the Pacific Ocean when ocean temperature rises unusually. It disrupts weather systems across the world. For India, El Nino often means hotter summers, weaker monsoons, reduced rainfall, and more severe heat waves. But this is only part of the story. And if we look at recent developments across the country, large scale tree felling, rapid urban expansion, and the cutting of hills and natural landscapes are adding to the crisis. These environmental changes reduce natural cooling, disrupt local weather patterns, and worsen the heat. Heat waves in India are not new anymore, they are becoming a pattern. Every year they arrive earlier, last longer, and hit harder. The warnings have been there from climate reports and scientists, but the intensity keeps increasing and the impact is not equal. Millions of people do not have access to air conditioning, stable electricity, and reliable drinking water during peak heat. For daily wage workers, delivery riders, construction workers, and street vendors, there is no option to avoid the heat. At the same time, cities trap heat due to concrete, pollution, and loss of green spaces. Nights only remain hot, which is especially dangerous because the body doesn't get any time to recover. The effects go far beyond human health. Heat waves don't just affect people, they affect systems. Electricity demand spikes as cooling increases. Agriculture suffers as soil dries and crops are stressed. Water shortages become worse. Hospitals face more emergency cases and infrastructure itself suffers. Experts say heat waves in India are no longer a rare event. They are becoming more frequent, more intense, and more dangerous. Which brings us to a difficult question. Is this the future we are stepping into? And while this heat wave will eventually pass, the larger challenge is only the beginning. Thank you for watching. Follow Decoder for more such updates.